Guess what my favorite color is? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very gothic red intense look. Someone sent me pictures and they requested these types of looks, so I was like, yeah, of course. It's dark, it's close to Halloween, so it's perfect. So I tried one of them out, and let me show you a picture of that look now. That is the close-up, what this is supposed to kind of look like. Anyhow, yeah, if you want to see how to go about recreating this look and what I used, keep watching. Okay, for this tutorial I used the Kat Von D Better Together palette and Juvia's Place the Saharan 2 palette. All you need is a couple of red and a dark burgundy shadow, Black Moon liquid lipstick, L'Oreal Voluminous Original Mascara black, Maybelline's Age Rewind concealer, Wet n Wild Calling Your Buff eyeliner and pencil liner in black, and Starstruck by Ciate, or any liquid eyeliner you have will work. Here are the brushes listed out. Okay, we're starting with our concealer. Applying it all over the eyelid. And then smoothing it out. I'm going to start with the flat top brush. You can use a flat, rounded brush to apply swoon or any metallic-y or matte red you have. So we're just patting it on. This round flat brush is usually used to blend concealer and stuff, but I wanted to use it. You know, I do what I want. Now taking a blending brush, we are blending out the edges. With a different shader brush, we're going to apply Zora from the Juvia's Place palette right on top because I wanted to darken the color and make it more red. Okay, the blending brush again, we're going to blend it out once more. Now with a detail brush, we're going back into swoon and we're applying it underneath. And now we're taking Calling Your Bluff, or a natural toned skin tone eyeliner, applying it on the waterline, and with a detail brush we're going into Zora and we're going to pat it on that waterline very gently, or if you have a red eyeliner, a pencil red eyeliner, or a pencil lip liner, you can use that as well, or you can skip this step if you'd like. Now going into Devotion, which is a matte black, and a small pencil brush, we're going to start carving out that rounded halo crease shading. Just watch what I'm doing. So I guess you are creating a halo around. We're staying at the crease and apply little by little so you don't make like one big splotch of black everywhere. We start at the outer corner because it is easier to control the color if you start on the outer corner. So just keep applying, and then we're going to go back with the shading brush to smooth out that crease. And now with the blending brush, we're going to blend it. Now with another detail brush, we're going into Love Struck, which is a peachy a shiny color. So any light tone that you want to add will work for the inner corner. With the angled brush, we're going into this Por Vida, which is a matte white, just to highlight that brow bone a bit. Next up is the pencil eyeliner. We're going to tight line to darken the lashes. And next up is eyeliner. Making a long line all the way from the longest inner part of your eye all the way out. If that makes any sense. Okay, mascara time. We're going to start with the bottom lashes this time, making sure that they're really well coated for a good contrast between that red and the top lashes as well. You can add falsies if you want to, or not. Now lipstick. Have your lips lined, and then apply a natural tone or a black, whatever you want. And the look is done. Okay, so that is it. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. Try it in a different color. Like, I picked red, but you can use purple, blue, orange, brown, if you feel comfortable with brown and like the black, you know. So any combination will look really awesome. So yeah, don't forget to give my video the thumbs up, or not. Honestly, I don't really care, guys. I just say that. It's like a YouTuber thing, I guess. Yeah, and subscribe if you want to watch more of my makeup tutorials. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy them and learn stuff and have fun playing with makeup. You know, it's all about having fun. Let's not get too serious here. It's just makeup. Let's enjoy it, have fun, and I'll see you next time. And as always, rock on. Quick mention of these contacts. These are called Egypt Brown from TTDI, and I will put my link down if you want to order them, or any of their Egypt collection. Or no, that's not a collection. They have different ones. They have like a bee green or something like that. Okay, I haven't looked through all of them. I know these are Egypt Brown, and I really like them because they have like a really light color, but it's still warm. It's not a cool tone. It's more like a warm tone. I don't know. It's neat. It's different. Yeah. The link will be down in the comments section. I always try to put it there so you guys can like click and check out. They have a sale going on too of like $19 contacts, so you probably want to check that out. And you can use my code MakeupArtistMe for a discount too, which helps, you know, because why not? So I really try to not include like drama and nonsense on my channel, because I like to keep it positive. But sometimes on the internet you tend to deal with people who are jerks and who are rude. But just to let you guys know that I am very adamant about blocking and deleting, because I don't want to deal with it, and I don't think you guys should have to like see that either, you know, because then it either encourages other negative people to be like, yeah, so I delete all that stuff. But what I do want to say is I really appreciate those of you who leave all those really nice and encouraging comments. I know you don't have to, and I don't expect you to, but I really do appreciate that. I think that is very kind of you guys, the way you encourage me and the way you are very positive. I appreciate that. I try to give that back the way I can. You know, it's not always easy. But yeah, thank you. Thank you for encouraging me, and I hope that I am always something positive for you guys, like someone who, you know, just makes you feel good about who you are, and just, I don't know, it's not negative, you know? Sometimes I do rant online when I get fed up, because I do deal with a lot of it that I don't share. But sometimes, you know, you just gotta rant and be like, because you can't just like slap that person in the face like you would want to. Unfortunately. I wish there was a slapping app where you click the button, somebody comes behind and whack. How fun would that be? That'd be great. Alright guys, I'll see you next time.